Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Balenciaga sunglasses model BB0096S in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana. And these glasses are an oval shape. The lenses are gray, and you'll find the Balenciaga logo engraved on its top right lens. The temples are also Havana, and you find the Balenciaga BB in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Balenciaga logo in white that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 51 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 130 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Balenciaga case, and on the case is the Balenciaga logo, as well as on the inside of the case. A Balenciaga cleaning cloth, and on the cloth is also the Balenciaga logo, a Balenciaga authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.